I'm going to show you quickly how to create a Civil Tracker account in your first project. So Civil Tracker is already installed and we're already in a drone deploy project with multiple data sets. So those are both good things. I'm going to turn Civil Tracker on. I'm going to create a new account. So I'm going to call it, and I'm going to go ahead and register. The next step I'm going to do is create a project because I don't have any existing projects in my account. So I'm going to go here and create new project, and I'm going to just call this Pond 5000. Why not? And after I put the project name in, I hit create project boundary, and this large rectangle pops up. Now I want to make it smaller and closer to where I know the construction actually is. So I've got that boundary created. I'm happy with it. It's pretty close all the way around. And I'm going to hit the back arrow button once to get to the annotations and back again to get to the data view. And I'm going to save that project. Perfect. So now I've got a project. My project's 5,000. I can turn the boundary on or off.